The 737 is, first of all, it's a wonderful aircraft, and it really brings to the Qantas fleet an aircraft that provides the highest quality, operational excellence, and really good fuel efficiency as well. We've had a long history with Boeing, as everyone in Qantas would be aware of. There's another 9 to come, so we've got another 4 this year and 5 next year.
Oh look, the fact that the company is investing so much in new airplanes, new technology, more fuel efficient, it just makes us very proud to fly with an airline that does that and is so focused on that. Flying a new airplane, if you can imagine, like the best car you could ever buy, only 100 times more than that. It's just a fantastic feeling, and being part of an airline that keeps buying new airplanes and investing in that is great. Yeah, really special. We buy these new airplanes and of course we go over to Seattle to pick them up. Then we have to of course get the airplane to Australia. It's a lot of fun because unlike a routine flight, we have to get the airplane home via these terrible locations like Hawaii and Fiji. Just really special, you know, it's different. Everyone's in a great frame of mind. We've got a new aeroplane that we're bringing home. We're proud to show it off. So for all of those reasons and more, it's just a wonderful experience.